Hey guys, it's Mimi here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something different on my channel. We are going to be making a wig, you guys. So this wig right here, I made this. It's a beginner friendly how-to. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this wig, please continue to watch this video. Also make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate the support and the love. Now let's make this wig together. So I ordered my bundles and my frontal from this company. I will put the link in the description on where I got the bundles and the frontals from. Okay, so I have a 13 by 4 frontal. I bleached and plucked the wig already. It's kinky curly hair. The frontal is 20 inches. This is how it looks. 3 bundles. 22 inches. 24 inches and 26 inches. So this is what I'm going to be using today to make my wig. So you will need to measure your head from ear to ear, front to back. I already know my inches, but I'm just going to show you guys. And I already marked my canvas already. So I'm just going to show you guys how you do it. So you take your measuring tape or paper, whatever you have, and you put it from your front to where your lace is going to start, and then you measure it all the way to your back of your head here, which is mine is 13.5 inches from front to back. Measure from ear to ear and measure, which is 13 inches from ear to ear. So next you're going to take your dome mesh cap, which I use to make my wigs. So you take your mesh cap and you just put it on your canvas and you line it up to where you want it to be. And hold on. So I'm going to take my frontal and I'm just going to put it on my head, and I'm just going to bring it a little down from where I put my marks. I'm just going to bring it a little down here. Then I'm just going to take my pins and I'm going to secure it onto my canvas head all the way around. Just like this. So you're going to need a needle and you're going to need some thread. Take my needle and I'm going to sew from one side to the next side. So you just take it and you start from the end. Start sewing like that. Okay, you guys, so I finished sewing my frontal from side to side. So I'm going to take my pin and I'm going to stick it inside bundles because I'm doubling them. As you can see, I have this one and this one, and I'm putting it on top of it. I'm overlapping them and I'm putting it on top like that. So I'm going to take my pin and stick it through there. Okay, so as I stuck it there to secure it down, Add my pins in. I'm going to take my needle and thread, and I'm going to begin sewing. And the reason why I double my track so it can be full at the bottom, so I'm just going to start sewing my track, and I overlap the thread around the needle so it can give me a knot at the end. Steady sewing across. Just sewing across, and I'm making sure that I'm sewing both tracks together. So at the end, you just want to wrap the thread around about 3-4 times just to not put a knot in it so the track won't come loose at the end. So this is how I sew my first track down. I'm going to take the rest of the track and I'm going to overlap it just like this and sew it. And when I do it like this, I just make sure that I sew the tracks down very flat because I don't want it to be bulky or knotted up. And the reason why I don't cut the tracks in the back and I just flip it and go like this, because when you cut the tracks, it makes the hair sheds. And you want to make sure that you pull really tight on the thread and on the hair because you want the tracks to be flat. Sewing down my 26 inches bundles into my canvas. This is the third row, and each row is double the track because I want this style to be full. I sewed most of my tracks off camera because in the beginning of the video I showed you guys step by step on how I sew my tracks down. So right now I'm at the top and I started singling my tracks out instead of doubling them, so the top will not be bulky or big. It can be flat, and I'm just sewing from side to side until I connect to the frontal at the top. I space the tracks out as well. I'm sewing from side to side until I get to the top to connect to the frontal. I started cutting the tracks because I did not want to overlap the tracks. Now I'm just continuing to sew the tracks to the top to connect to the frontal. And this method is very simple and easy because you're just going across from one side to the other. Now I'm at the top of my dome head. I have just one track to sew down, and I will be all finished with sewing my wig together. Finished sewing the whole head. So it came out how I wanted it, nice and full and big. So now I'm going to take it off the canvas head. I took it off the canvas head, and now I'm going to cut the this extra dome part off because we don't need that anymore. Just cut it off. Okay, so now I'm going to take this elastic band and I'm going to sew it inside so it can secure the back of my head. Sectioning it off and I'm just wetting it and I'm just combing through it with a big comb, and there's gonna be some hair that come off from me cutting the tracks. Okay, now that my hair is all wet, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to apply it to my hair like that. Taking it so I can cut around my ear. Hey guys, this is the next day I was exhausted the first day. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just cutting the lace off the wig. I did not apply any glue. So I will be just wearing this wig glueless. I do have an elastic band on, so that's securing. So I'm just making my baby hair, which is kind of easy because you just cut a little bit of hair and you just put some foam on it or whatever your choice of liking for your baby hairs, and you just put it down on it and just make your baby hair. So right now, I'm just putting my head wrap on to lay down my edges. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, please comment down below and let me know what other styles and colors you guys would like me to do next. Until next time, bye.